Bring it up. All the way.
Dad, you can't keep spending money on junk.
I can break it down, strip it for parts. This stuff is what's gonna put you through college. Something in here needs to make this family some money. Come on, you old wreck. Judgment Day. What the hell happened to you? Look, it's not normal steel. I don't think it's a truck at all. I think we just found a transformer.
Dad!
I'm gonna ask you this once. Where is Optimus Prime?
You know, we got a rule about messing with people from Texas.
A new era has begun. The age of the Transformers is over.
Don't you get it? We don't need you anymore.